Hi everyone, it's Thursday and this is our final 3D shape video for the week. We have been learning to identify, name and describe familiar three-dimensional objects, and now we can use the terms edges, vertices to describe shapes. We can recognize familiar three-dimensional objects from pictures and photographs, and we can represent 3D objects by making simple drawings. And we will continue to use the vocabulary listed below. Can you name these shapes? I bet you can. You should by now. We've been practicing this week. That's right, it's a cone. What shape are these? A cone? Are you sure? But they look different to the ones that we just saw. Are you sure that it's a cone? How do you know? That's right. It does have a vertex at one end. It does have a curved surface. So it does sound like a cone, but it's on a different angle. Let's have a look. You're right, it is a cone. Just because we change the angle of the shape doesn't mean that it is a different shape. It just is looking a different way. Okay, can you name these shapes? What do you think? That's right, a cube. Oh, what are these shapes? I'm not sure. This one's facing a funny angle. And these ice cubes. Oh, they must be cubes. They're ice cubes. You're right. I think it is a cube. I must remind myself, if we turn the object, it's still the same shape. Can you name this shape? A rectangular prism. Well done. Oh, what shape is this now? This shape is in two different positions. One of them is lying down, one of them is standing up. What shape could it be? Pardon? What did you say? Oh, you're right. It is a rectangular prism. Just because it's turned around does not mean that it's changed shapes. Can you name this shape? Let's have a look. A cylinder. Oh, what are these shapes? This looks like a wishing well, but it's on a funny angle. And then a candle. But what shape could they be? Oh, I'm not sure. Let's take a look. Oh, they're a cylinder also. Can you name this shape? A pyramid. Oh, this looks a little bit different. That looks like somewhere very special to go. But what could it be? What kind of shape could it be? Let's take a look. It's a pyramid also. Just because it's on its side doesn't mean it changes shape. Can you name this shape? Yes, we know they're marbles, but what's the shape? A sphere. Oh, what shape is this one? Oh, yes, it just looks a little bit in a different angle, but it's still a sphere. Okay, now it is your turn. Watch the video on drawing three-dimensional shapes. Choose one or more 3D shapes and draw the picture and match it to a real object of that shape. Take a photo and upload it to the Google Doc. Okay, so that should be a bit of fun for you to be able to draw the different shapes and then match them to a real object. We need to be able to identify that shapes are all around us, and three-dimensional shapes particularly are all around us. Okay, and then the second activity that you need to do is complete the Thursday PDF to identify the name and properties of the 3D shapes. Now, it would be wonderful if you could do this one on your own, because by now you should have practiced all these skills and you should be able to complete this on your own. You might like to use some of the information from this week to help you with the labels or the spelling, but you should be able to fill out the properties of the three-dimensional objects activity all by yourself. All right, and then when you've done that, take a photo, put it on your Google Doc so we can see it, and you can play a 3D shape game. There's a couple of different ones there for you to try. All right, good luck. Bye.